Yung pa-yellow umbrella guys, nakaka-K-drama. Very nice. Wow. May mga sensor. Kung lalapit ka, gumagalaw sila. Ayu, how do we do it? Oh. I love the sound effects. V, and then we put this sauce. Correct? This is the outfit of a soju master. And we're gonna tour around this factory wearing this traditional Korean clothing. Kim Ji-won na. Hello guys! Annyeonghaseyo! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave the Kuripot Traveler and welcome to Gangneung, South Korea! Yes, this is our 5th city in this trip. We've toured 5 tourism hub cities in Korea for 10 days. So nasa last tourism hub city na po tayo. This is Gangneung. It's actually my first time, to be honest, nung sinend sa akin yung itinerary ng Korea Tourism Organization. Hindi ako familiar sa Gangneung talaga. It's in Gangwon. So yung Gangwon, yan yung naririnig ko. Kasi famous yung Gangwon for its natural landscapes. Marami din pala dito sa Gangneung, stunning natural landscapes. And may may access sa both sea and lake. This is a paradise for artists, writers. Aside from the different natural, beautiful landscapes, marami din ditong museums or galleries and a lot of cool things to do in Gangneung. So, guys, samahan niyo ako sa vlog na ito para makita nyo yung ganda. Makita natin together. We will explore the city together because this is also my first time here. Para makita natin together yung ganda ng Gangneung. It's autumn season. Malamig-lamig na, kaya naka-jacket tayo. And nakita ko na habang papunta tayo dito sa Gangneung galing Andong, namumula-mula na yung leaves. So our first stop, of course, lunch. Maghahatpat tayo, guys. So very healthy tayo. Gulay-gulay, kita nyo naman, guys. Second time lang natin ito na maghahatpat, guys. And first time dito sa Korea. Okay, Ayu, how do we do it? Alright.
Let our
Yeah.
선생님 to
Lessons.
set up the table.
Sansengnim. Oh. I love the sound effects. Oh. Perfecto.
Not too much.
Not too much. Okay.
And we can choose beef or vegetable or anything you want.
Okay, from this, the boiling pot.
Beef, fried beef. Okay.
Oh. Wait, this is how to eat hotpot, guys, ha? Kasi nalilito din akong paano kumain ito. Kasi parang iba experience na Tacloban.
You can put anything you want.
Right. Oh, your favorite sound. Choo, choo, choo. Wow. Wow. 하셨어요. 감사합니다. 감사합니다, 선생님. Yeah, I'll follow the steps. So, first, this one. You have this in Vietnam, right? Yeah, that's why you're an expert. So you have this in Vietnam. We try this in Vietnam. Not too much water. V, and then we put this sauce. Correct? After I roll. Okay. So I just finish everything and then dip. Oh, okay. It's wrong. Don't follow me. It's wrong. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. So singing. Oh, okay. And then I can already. Oh, okay. Yay. Any sauce. What's true? May rice paper. Talagang sagana tayo lagi sa pagkain. So kung tinutukan yung vlogs ko, guys, di ba, ang dami natin kinain. And marami doon first time natin kainin. At ang sasarap kasi na pagkain sa Korea, kaya you're just looking at me.
Yeah, I was looking to
Mas sasarap ang pagkain sa Korea, kaya okay lang din naman mag-food trip. Okay lang na madaba tayo dito, yung mukha natin. Why are you looking at me?
I want to see what you do.
Master
Chef.
Master Chef. Oh, okay. Close.
Going to
Ah, okay. It's going to spread out.
Yeah.
Nice. Looks nice.
do one cream.
Yeah.
You want?
Put it as you want because I don't want it.
Okay.
I think we can put first cream and then this.
Sure. Yeah. Oh.
Maybe a little bit more.
Do it yourself tayo dito ngayon. So, kakain tayo. DIY. Kakain tayo ng pancake for dessert. Do it by yourself.
Maybe now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we can just put it there. Guys, hindi kami cookierista. We don't do the cooking. We don't do the cleaning. And then, how do we do this?
Just give it to me.
Alright.
Oh,
What?
it's for this.
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we put it like?
Alright. You can spread it out. Ready? Oh. Wow. Chef Diana. Perfecto. Excelente.
I'm a master.
Yeah,
I
let's
always
go.
do this like every day.
Really? You're
Try
kidding
to
me.
do it every day.
You're kidding me. And then may ice cream pa guys. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna open and then ice cream.
Goodbye. Our next stop is the Chumchurum Factory or Chumchurum Brand Center. So, umiinom ba kayo guys ng soju? Because we're here in a brand center of soju. Dito sa Korea, ito yung mga pinoproduce ng lote. Chilsung Cider Zero, Tom Zero. Mukhang Del Monte ito. Yeah, binabasa ko Del Monte. Trevi, Sparkling Water, Coffee, Pepsi, many more. Of course, the soju. Chumchurum. We have different global networks. Alright, so this is the outfit of a soju master. And we're gonna tour around this factory wearing this traditional Korean clothing. So pwede tayo mag-tour wearing this para naman mas feel natin. Diba? Minsan lang naman tayo dito. So itanay na natin. I live for experiencing new things. Tama ba? I live for experiencing new things. Tama ba English? Sorry. Wow. This is the outfit of soju master. Kami lang dalawa yung nagtangka na magsuot nito. Makikita siguro natin kung paano gumawa ng soju, guys. Kim Ji-won nuna. Saranghe. Shinmin Suji. Suji. Shinmin ano na. What's this? Hanyoju?
I don't know, maybe it's all one.
I don't recognize her. Mga model nila. Shinmin Shinmin si. Omo.
Okay, another.
Of course. We're visiting the factory of Chumchurum Soju and then Zero na brand. So yung Chumchuro, yan daw yung national, Korea's national spirit. This is a sample of the Zero. Zero sugar. Kaya ba siya Zero? Kasi zero sugar. Ito zero sugar din. Pero iba-ibang flavor. And then this one, Chumchurum. I think this is soju na. Soju. Gangnong daw, even the ancestors know that they have the cleanest air and water. Gangnong. Kaya nandito yung factory ng soju, guys. If tamang pagkakagets ko, they can produce 1 million plus bottles a day. Diba? May mga factory workers na Filipino. I'm not sure kung may mga Pinay dito. Baka naman, shoutout po sa mga Pinay nating factory workers. Kahit hindi dito sa Chumchurum or Zero. Shoutout sa inyo. Mabuhay kayo.
하면 이거 40만 병?
1 minute they 100만, 1000만?
천병.
1000 bottle per minute.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. 1,000
1000
bottle per minute.
Wow.
So 24 hours. Math. We have 30 minutes to consume this. Guys, nakaka-VIP itong experience na to. As in, nasa special room tayo, guys. Ayan. Dito tayo magta-try out ng different products ng Lotte. And then snacks. Ito ay water. Yung company, since 1926 siya. Yung soju. Habang patagal ng patagal, nag-evolve din yung nag-evolve din yung soju. Binabawasan nila ng alcohol. And then, ito ay water, chomchorong, zero, and this haibo. Ito yung bago nilang soju, peach flavor. Natikman natin to sa Busan. Yung design ng glass ay very mountain. Yes, ganito nila dinesign yung glass. Mountain of Gangwon. May pasnak si Mayor dito. Sarap nitong isda. Kim Ji-won na. Taray. Ito din siya. Napapanood din natin siya sa K-drama. DP. Napapanood natin siya sa DP. Meron din silang manhwa version. Manhwa? Animated version. Kasi baka may market talaga nito, no? Ng mga ganitong klaseng, animated na content. Ganda. Pogi naman yan. Wow. Welcome to Gangnam Experience. Yes, nagtimpla tayo ng soju, dried fruits, tapos cinnamon, and then rosemary tea bag, and then of course the soju for the finale. October 16, 2024 in Gangnam by me. Chung bass, super bass. Kamsahamnida. Look. Oh, we made this.
Yes.
Yay! Amazing. Jemmy Soyo. Jemmy Soyo. It's fun. Yeah, we made our own label, guys. Dave G. Dave in Gangnam. Okay. Let's go. Kamsahamnida. Dami nating pa-bring home from the center. Nice. Napaka-generous. Natin to, souvenir. And I live for things like this. Yung kapag makikita ko, maaalala ko yung trip. Welcome to Gangnam. Dagat, guys. Waves. So Gangnam is also known for their beautiful beaches. We've arrived, guys. This is the Hasla Art Museum. I think napipil tip tong mga estudyante na to. Look! Don't jump! Museum ulit tayo, guys. Dahil maraming museum dito sa Gangnam, guys.
And your ticket? Scan your
Thank you. Scan lang natin siya. This is how it looks like inside. Piano. Do not touch things here. Hasla, guys. That's the old name of Gangnam. Hasla. So, at the time of Three Kingdoms of Korea, yung tawag dito ay Hasla. Because Diana was saying espejo in Spanish. And I recognize, so espejo? Is that mirror? Because in Waray, guys, hindi siya salamin. It's espejo. So, many similar languages, terms rather. Yes, espejo. Walang English translation though. Let's explore more of this place. May cafe. Let's look for other spots. Here.
To go down.
Yeah, we have to go down.
This is please. Oh, is it
V, let's go.
Again. Oh, open. And then, but
Ah, sure. Sure.
okay. Let's take it with.
So this is a tunnel.
And you can see number 2, there is a flower decoration.
Yeah.
Come here.
Flowers.
Pretty.
Ganda. Mabango pa guys. Amoy pa natin yung bula-bulaklak. Totoo kayo mga bulaklak to? Ah, no. Is that a true flower? I think so, yeah. Do you want a photo? Picture natin si Diana dito. It's pretty. Espejo plus flores, flowers. Let's go. Let's go. Tunnel. Wow. Are you guys ready for an adventure? Okay. Oh my gosh. I went to Kochi Tunnels
What is Kuchitano?
in Vietnam. Hey, video? You want video? Pumasok tayo sa tunnel, guys. Oh.
Okay, what about you?
Wow. China. Thank you.
Okay, go there.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh.
he's better than purple.
Oh.
Oh, so nice.
Hey, the laser. Be careful with your phone.
Oh yeah, that's true. I think weather is really good.
Charan. Wow. Where? Oh, wow. The sea. Beautiful. Wow. English tayo, guys, para maintindihan nila. Ganda. Pinocchio. Yes, may dagat. Nakaka-healthy itong sea breeze. Ito yung mga paborito ni mamang nilalanghap ng nanay ko. Lagi yung nagre-request na pumunta kami sa dagat para magkaroon kami ng sea breeze. Kapag nasa Tacloban ako, yun yung gusto niyang gawin namin. Do you want a photo? Guys, ang kalmado ng atmosphere. Pero yung dagat nagpupumiglas. Ang lalaki ng alon. Pakinggan nyo lang yung tunog ng alon.
Hola, soy Diana y bienvenidos a otra. Hola, soy Diana y bienvenidos a otra. Oh my goodness, why I can't? Okay. Hola, soy Diana y bienvenidos a otra aventura en Cagdud.
Ay, yes, this is nice. This is nice. Thank you for calling me. Let's take photo. Yung pa-yellow umbrella, guys, nakaka-K-drama. Ginamit natin yan. Look at this view. Very nice. Wow. Debak. Wow. Pinocchio Museum. May mga souvenir guys. 10,000 won. I think that's around 400 pesos. Nakabili tayo ng Pinocchio style na ganyan. Pero maliit yung souvenir lang sa Italy. Kasi si Pinocchio guys, yung creator niya galing Florence. Right? Ay, ito marami pang iba sa loob. Wow. Guys, look. Tara. Ano pa kayang pwede natin makita dito? Alas 6 sila ka-close. It's 5:37. Oh, amazed. Amazing. So yes, ito yung mga tinatawag na marionette. Yung mga nakasabit guys. That's what we call marionette. Ganda, ganda ng museum. Wow. Look, Tinkerbell, oh. Eto, may souvenir tayong ganito galing sa Florence. Yan talagang binili ko, guys. Florence, Italy. Di ba, nakakasosyal, Florence, Italy. Ah, may mga sensor. Kung lalapit ka, gumagalaw sila. Oh, amazing. Dami pa palang artwork sa loob, guys. Mga nakasabit lang sila. Wow. At exit na. Hello. Ay, exit na nga. Yan na spot yung favorite ko. Lakas maka K-drama. Let's go. Ganda dito. Nice. Yung view ng waves. Ito yung mga nakaka-relax, guys, na view. Ganda. Tapos yung sound nung alon. That's it, guys. Lumubog ng araw. That's a day here in Gangneung. It's our first day and nakakain tayo ng hot pot, uminom ng soju, 'di ba, sa factory ng soju, and then explored a museum. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko kanina, famous din yung Gangneung for their museum. And again, it's a coastal city, so we can smell the sea breeze and be one with nature. Kung magpupunta kayo sa Gangneung, at least may idea na kayo kung ano mga pwede ninyong gawin dito. So maraming salamat sa KTO for this experience. Sarange! This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler, here from Gangneung. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!